Hello everyone and welcome to 𝗼𝗵𝗺. We are entering yet another new session of microbiology. Earlier we finished up with the general microbiology and now we are starting with cardiovascular system and bloodstream infections. This is the first class of CVS and bloodstream infection, and I am very happy to share this that amongst the pioneers of microbiology education across the country, across the world, we are the first ones to start with the systemic microbiology in a systemic manner. We will teach you the microbiology as per the systems. We will go system by system, and I am very happy that we are doing it for the very first time. Okay, although the books are available, although the materials are available, but we are the first one to give you the lectures systemic wise. Okay, so starting with CVS and bloodstream infection, let us quickly understand how the topics are going to unfold. First of all, we will discuss about the infective endocarditis. Next topic is rheumatic fever. Then we will discuss the enteric fever. But I am not going to teach everything of enteric fever. I will be more focused on Salmonella typhi and paratyphi, who are the ones responsible for causing them. Then rickettsia, rickettsial infections. Then we will discuss about the brucella, the leptospira and the borrelia, all the microbiologically important stuff I will teach you. Rest, medicine faculty is going to take care of the infectious diseases in great detail. Then we will jump to viruses. We will discuss HIV, we will discuss dengue and Ebola. Then we will discuss the parasites like malaria, Babesia, Leishmania, Trypanosoma and filariasis. In the end, we will discuss about the Candida, and the last but not the least, we will discuss the PUO, that is Pyrexia of unknown origin. Thank you so much for joining us in the introductory part. We will meet you in the next session when we will start with the microbiologies, 𝗼𝗵𝗺, CVS and bloodstream infection.